What's the meaning of barrack? Barrack. Barrack.
Barrack. Barrack. The word barrack has several meanings depending on the context in which it is used. One of its most common definitions refers to a building or group of buildings that serves as temporary housing for soldiers or other military personnel. Another meaning of barrack is to shout loudly in support of someone or something, often used in sports games or political rallies. Additionally, barrack can be a verb meaning to criticize loudly or find fault with someone or something. Therefore, the word barrack can be used to refer to a physical structure, an action of support, or an action of criticism.